Hi, I'm Bethany Wallace, owner of careercoachbethany.com. Sometimes when I tell people that they need to brand themselves in their best light, I sort of get a negative reaction from them. Like they think that I'm telling them to be fake or post false information about themselves. And they'll say something like, well, I'm just trying to be real. I'm just being me. And if people don't like me, then, I don't care. Or if this is just who I am, take it or leave it. Um, and that sort of attitude, which is very defensive and negative, um, and short-sighted, will really get you nowhere in your job search. I would venture to also say it will get you nowhere in life, because it's really important to think about the idea of portraying yourself in your best light is not just about putting on a show for people so that they'll hire you or give you a promotion. Portraying yourself in your best light is really behaving in a way that is dignified and just making good choices that will give you more self-respect and self-esteem. So it really has nothing to do with other people. It's really about you in your job search, in your career journey, and your life in general. And who wants to be walking around in a negative, portraying themselves in a negative light and saying, oh, I just love making poor choices all the time. It just feels so good to be this rude, person who's full of self-pity and hatred and, judgment. And I mean, really, do we really like that about ourselves? Probably not. At the end of the day, we would all probably admit that when we are behaving in the best, way, or being the best version of ourselves, then we're probably our happiest and feel most content with ourselves and feel most proud of ourselves. And so really, being the best version of yourself is just being who you are. That's who you're meant to be and who you're designed to be. And so if you really are able to be that person more consistently online and offline in real life, then you're going to be branding yourself. That's what branding yourself is just being who you are and being the real you. And the real you is a good you. Sometimes it's just hiding behind layers of defects that maybe we need to work through sometimes. So I hope that this kind of clarifies some of that myth about branding yourself as the best version of you and helps you to kind of get motivated to want to do more of that, especially if you're going to begin a job search anytime soon. If you have questions about it, or you need help writing a branding statement or a bio, or figuring out how to brand yourself online in a better light, then you can reach out to me at careercoachbethany.com.